Tukon ka breaking news ray wish ka South Sudan ka jan gwasame Russian bukonling gwasame shaladonene sharam and wutmla kur la National Minister of Peace Building ray wish ka South Sudan un Michelle ka Honorable Stephen Par Kuol chaje yena tema kiir mayardit national security agenda na bukonling tema name breaking news go rajen wo biaje nyaka nasen ko kien mi jiram didit ka Nuer online TV channel dongo jen changan yam ko ji goro jen wo jin der je nyaka nasin ko kien na me histoire mutu wogon tama ray we ka juba ka jen korta ka na me en go cha wudo mo cha je yen agenda na gore ba nyaka yekel twine notification bell gore subscribe ko bler bi kan chwa shub ka ji ko gwasa dan en pai ka break ka je ba tour de benyo de gwasa me chala do kiir mayardit Honorable Stephen Par Kuol chaje yen Par Kuol kur National Minister dung malare wisha ka South Sudan kere wiki juba wajen jen lade jen mi yan ka je montem kana lat ka do bran chala ka je chala no jen chaje pere ka chaje yen ka chaje nang gwad mo kwaike gwad dan chaje nang tine tam right nana no silva kiir mayardit che National Security Service medre wika juba mala nada yiɛn kan loda kananga wajen she ude me cheje yiɛn akwai kamanda le rode she Honorable Stephen Par Kuol ram mole la National Minister of Peace Building ray wika South Sudan cheje yiɛn tama ka kwai ka gwada dan en cheje yiɛn tana wa cheje nanka non location ke gwad mo kwai ka na me amil le rode en tama wika juba tegro mi chagular gwasa me denter manyangad which cheje gorka tuk English goro jen wo baje ladye jena director Canadian content gorka malo dat tenre which ka South Sudan jena I call upon President Salva Kiir to order the unconditional release of Honorable Stephen Par Kuol, the National Minister of Peace Building in the Republic of South Sudan. Par Kuol, Honorable Stephen Par Kuol, he was arrested by the National Security Service and taken to an unknown location within Juba. This latest development is likely to jeopardize the implementation of the revitalized peace agreement in South Sudan. Political leaders should prioritize building peace rather than undermining it. The fragile peace we currently have in the country is better than nothing. Peace is our collective responsibility. This is what Denter Manyangad which wrote on his Facebook page. Man chalar gwasame wude me shala Honorable Stephen Par Kuol Manyang Ramelela National Minister of Peace Building kelare kwimalka rewika South Sudan ajera Ramadan en chaka betama National Security rewika South Sudan ke juba tinde pinker mayardit ka chaja nang gwan mo kwaike jana na goro no de nywa yekel. Please share it ku comment Ramadan ladi ala South Sudan ke jen gwas me beche gwad dana within na me agenda na go de nywa yekel and be more information ban ka je ka kor gwasen be bete kamal